Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. To get started, first log in to your HubSpot account. From there, head over to the App Marketplace. You can find it by clicking the store icon in the top navigation, then selecting the HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're inside the marketplace, you'll see a wide range of apps you can install. In the search bar, type Shopify and select the Shopify app from the results. This app is created by HubSpot and is a certified integration, so go ahead and click Install. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to connect your Shopify account. Click Next, then enter your Shopify subdomain. To find this, look at your Shopify URL and copy the text that appears after .myshopify.com. Paste that value into HubSpot and click Connect. After that, a new window will open, allowing you to authorize the connection between Shopify and HubSpot. Wait for the page to load, then click Install to complete the integration. Once installed, you can continue the setup process by configuring your sync settings. That's all there is for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.